Hey guys, Disney Collector here, and today's the day to make ice cream and cake with this Popin Cooking do-it-yourself candy. Let's see what we got here in this package. The strawberry flavor, sprinkles, another candy mix, one little bag, 2 cones for your ice cream. You're gonna use this to make the layers of your cake, and an ice cream little tray. This right here is your mixing tray. We're gonna use this part to measure the water. We also got 1 spoon. This is the strawberry flavor. All we have to do is add water and stir it well until the mix is very smooth. This is the vanilla flavor. We add water and stir it well. Now that we have our ice cream ready, we're gonna use the little plastic bag. Just fold the ends inside out. The vanilla flavor will go on this side and the strawberry on this side. Well guys, thanks for watching my videos and stay tuned for a lot more do-it-yourself candy right here on Disney Collector.